Okay, to set up a filter, we need to start out at Google Analytics. So I'm already at www.google.com/analytics. If you're not there yet, go ahead and enter it into your browser. And then click the Access Analytics button. Okay, I haven't entered in my password yet, or my username and my password, so I'm going to do that first. But you might already be at the next page. And then click Sign In. Okay, so now we're at our overview page, and we're going to scroll down. And on the right, you should see something that says Filter Manager. So we're going to click Filter Manager. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to add a new filter. And to do that, if you look on the right in that dark gray bar, there's a little plus sign and then it says Add Filter. So you want to click Add Filter. Okay, so this takes us to the page to be able to set up the new filter. So I'm going to name my filter Me, but you can name yours whatever you want. And then if we hit this little drop down menu for filter type, we want to exclude from an IP address. So you're going to choose exclude all traffic from an IP address. Okay, then it has a little box for IP address. So we have to go to another website to get the IP address. So either open up a new tab or a new window and you're going to type in www.whatismyip.com. And then it should open up a new page. And this will show you what your IP address is. I've blocked mine out for security purposes, but yours should be right there next to your IP address is. And we're going to want to copy that. You can either highlight it and go Control-C, or you can go Edit Copy. And then the next link we want to go to is kind of long. So you can either stop this video to get it, or you can go to my blog and there's a link you can just. Okay, so this is Google's tool to generate our regular expression for our IP address. And what you want to do is you want to paste in your IP address right into that first box that says first IP address. I'm not going to do this for security purposes, but you're going to be pasting into first IP address. And then you're going to want to scroll down to the bottom of the page. It's almost the bottom. And you're going to click Generate Regex, and that means Generate Regular Expression. And then in this Step 3 box will be your regular expression. And you're just going to copy that again by either highlighting and pressing Control-C or Edit Copy. Okay, so now I'm back over at Google Analytics where we were when we started making our filter. So you're going to paste in your regular expression for your IP address right in the IP address box. I'm not going to do it for security purposes, but you're going to paste it right in there. Then you're going to go down and you're going to see www.etsy.com. You're going to click that, and then you're going to click the Add button to the right, and you should see it appear in the box on the right. Once you've done that, that's it. That's all you have to do. So you're going to go down and click Save Changes. The only reason I'm not doing it is for security purposes, but you're going to paste in your IP address, add etsy.com, and then click Save Changes. Now this will only work for static IP addresses. That is, IP addresses that don't change. Now if you want to figure out if you have a static or a dynamic changing IP address, you can go to my blog and I have instructions on how to figure it out. It's a little bit more complicated, so I'm not going to put it into this video. Now there is a couple fixes Google has made for dynamic IP addresses, and one is to add a cookie to your page. Unfortunately, Etsy doesn't let us do HTML, so that's not an option for our Etsy shop. But alternatively, you can block out part of your IP address only. Rather than putting the whole thing in there, you can put just the first 2 digits and then leave everything else to be filled in. And this will block you out no matter what, even if you have a dynamic IP address. And I'm going to paste mine in up there. You can see that I have /D+ in place of where the numbers were. And this will catch any number that fits. Now I leave the first two numbers in there. I just put /D plus for all the three other slots. Okay, now this has a catch. It will block out everyone that lives near you. So if you have high traffic from people that live near you, I wouldn't use this method. But this will definitely catch your views, but it will also catch whoever else is in your area. So if you don't want to do that, you're going to have to be updating your IP address daily if you have a dynamic. So I clicked save, and that's all you have to do to set up a filter to block out your own views. If you have any questions, please check out my blog. I have more detailed instructions there.